PeopleLocatorSkipTracing.com explains the real difference between professional and DIY skip tracing and delivers professional-grade results within 24 hours or less. DIY skip tracing, searching Google, running a consumer people search website, checking LinkedIn and social media, accesses only publicly available information. That information may be years out of date, is incomplete by design. It only includes what people have made public or what has appeared in public records, and is routinely wrong for anyone who has moved recently, changed their name, or deliberately kept a low profile. For purposes where accuracy is a secondary concern, casual reconnection, general background research on a matter of mild curiosity, DIY approaches may be adequate. For purposes where accuracy is the primary concern, they're not. The test is simple. Has DIY already failed? If you've searched the name online, run a consumer people search, checked social media, and still don't have a current verified address for the person you're looking for, that's not a sign the person can't be found. It's a sign you need data that isn't publicly available, the continuously updated professional tier that professional skip tracing accesses. Professional skip tracing makes sense whenever the value of an accurate result exceeds the cost of the search. For service of process with a filing deadline approaching, the value is high. For judgment collection where wages and assets are waiting to be reached, the value is high. For a fraud investigation where the trail goes cold without a current address, the value is high. PeopleLocatorSkipTracing.com. Professional results since 2004. 24 hours flat fee. Visit PeopleLocatorSkipTracing.com to access the data tier that DIY can't reach.